Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is duck typing in Python. So duck typing is the process of creating a common interface. Why there is a need to create a common interface? Because in any application, so as a developer, suppose we have n number of classes in our application and m number of methods in that particular application. So every time create a new object and call that particular method and remember all the method names. So that would be a very hectic task for us as a programmer. So for that, for example, if we have any method which we use in a future and number of times, so for that particular method, we just create a common interface and pass a object every time to run that particular method to the common interface. So for example, I just take one example so that you just clear everything. uh, I just create two different classes here. One is class parrot and another is class fish. In both the classes I write two methods. One is fly method in both the classes, fly method here also, and another is swim method. So here I just print some message inside the fly method, uh, that parrot can fly, here parrot cannot swim, here fish cannot fly, and here fish can swim. So different message I print here inside the different methods, but both the class contain common method. Now in my application, if suppose I required this fly method every time after just after every function, or after every application, I just need this particular method I need to run. So for that, it is not easy for me to call that particular method. Means this method may be in another class also, so but I want this particular method to run. So in that case we just need to create a common interface. So how to create common interface? We just write another method here. Suppose here flying test. So this is nothing but a common interface flying test for the method fly. Now I just specify here the method fly method, and now for this flying test, this for this common interface we need to provide or create a object. I just create object A for the parrot class, and to run particular method I just need to pass a variable A, that is variable object A, to that particular flying test method. So what happened due to that is our fly method will run of parrot class. So I just make a wrong spell here. Yeah, that's correct. Now if I run it, then this parrot can fly message will print. So what happened here, I just created a common interface for the method fly. This is nothing but a creation of common interface. And after creating a common interface, now I create an object, but now I want to call this fly method of parrot class only. That's why I specify the class name, and after that I pass this object to the common interface, and then particular fly method will run. Now in a case if I want to print a message of fish class fly method, then how can I create another object and specify the class name here, and I just pass of this object, that is object B, inside a method flying test, inside a common interface, that is flying test B and I just run it, then this message will print, that is fish cannot fly. So this is a way to create a common interface, and after creating an object for that particular class, I just need to pass that object to that common interface. So every time I need that particular logic inside that fly method, I just need to call this common interface and pass the object inside that common interface. That's it. It just run my whole method. Whatever I write in the business logic inside that particular method. So this is all about duck typing. It is very important concept, that duck typing is nothing but a process of creating a common interface, and I hope you understand this duck typing concept. Just listen carefully and try one or more example on that particular, you will definitely understand and know the importance of this duck typing. So thanks for watching.